Creating effective email campaigns in Braze requires mastering two fundamental components: templates and segmentation. These tools work together to deliver personalized, engaging messages to your audience. Braze offers multiple template options to suit different skill levels and design needs. Each template type serves specific purposes in your email marketing strategy. The Braze platform provides an intuitive template selection interface where you can choose from various pre-designed templates or create custom ones. Notice how Braze integrates seamlessly with other email marketing tools. Braze provides three main template types. HTML templates offer maximum flexibility for developers who want complete control over design and functionality. Drag and drop templates provide a visual editor that allows marketers to create professional emails without any coding knowledge. Content blocks enable you to create reusable components that maintain consistent branding across all your email campaigns. All templates are designed with mobile-first principles, ensuring your emails look perfect on any device. These responsive designs automatically adapt to different screen sizes. Effective segmentation is the key to email campaign success. Braze offers powerful segmentation tools that help you target the right message to the right audience at the right time. The Braze Segment Builder provides an intuitive interface for creating complex audience segments. You can combine multiple filter groups to precisely target your desired audience. Behavioral segmentation tracks user actions and engagement patterns. This is the most effective type of segmentation, often showing 89% higher engagement rates. Demographic segmentation uses traditional data points like age, location, and device preferences to create targeted groups. Custom attributes allow you to segment based on your company's specific data points and business logic. AI predictive segmentation uses machine learning to identify patterns and predict user behavior, creating highly targeted audiences automatically. Behavioral segmentation considers multiple factors, including usage frequency, brand loyalty, benefits needed, and purchase occasions to create comprehensive user profiles. When templates and segmentation work together, you achieve true personalization. Notice how these two email layouts show different product recommendations based on user segments, demonstrating dynamic content in action. The combination of well-designed templates and precise behavioral segmentation creates email campaigns that resonate with individual users, leading to significantly higher engagement and conversion rates. Once your templates and segments are ready, the next crucial step is configuring your delivery settings. Braze offers several powerful delivery options to optimize when and how your emails reach your audience. Scheduling is particularly important for global campaigns. The difference between standard 24-hour delays and calendar days can significantly impact when your users receive messages. Triggered campaigns allow you to send automated emails based on specific user actions or events. These event-based sends typically achieve higher engagement rates because they're contextually relevant to user behavior. Before launching any campaign, thorough testing is essential. Preview your emails across different devices and send test emails to ensure everything displays correctly. After launch, monitoring performance is crucial. Track key metrics like open rates and click-through rates to measure campaign success and identify areas for improvement. Industry benchmarks provide context for your results. Average email open rates hover around 21.3%, while click-through rates average 2.6%. However, Braze users typically see significantly higher engagement rates due to the platform's advanced personalization and timing capabilities. Effective delivery configuration combines the right timing strategy with thorough testing and continuous performance monitoring. By leveraging Braze's intelligent scheduling and tracking capabilities, you can significantly improve your email campaign results.